And good morning, or afternoon, or what day this is. It's Saturday, and I've been very busy running amok. Okay, we're going to take something very simple. Everybody has some form of baked beans. I know Huble's cat has baked beans. Some kind of frank. Could be jumbo frank, it could be classic, it could be cheapo, it could be vegan. Those are the two items you need. Cook it outside in a hobo stove or a rocket stove, whatever method you want to do, but outside, out in the fresh air. You can build a campfire and make hot dogs and beans. It could be hot dog on a stick. It could be hot dog in the bun. Or it could be hot dogs sliced up with a knife. Okay, not a hard project. And this is for Harshman Hills and our friend, either Trey or Kay of the Vineyard Chicks, cooking outdoors in nice weather. Hot dogs. Okay, you can put it on a stick, you could put it in a bun, or you could slice it up and put it with the beans. But outside, in a hobo stove or a rocket stove or a little camp stove, whatever. And this is for Harshman Hill, the two sisters, not Bunky because she's little, the Vineyard Chicks. Let's see, Huble's cat. Let's see, he tried to do it. Cook some vegetarian beans or vegan beans. Get some vegan hot dogs and some buns. Pour the beans on the buns. I wish I had buns, but again, my nephews grabbed my buns again. This is why Uncle Alan's old and tired, folks. Okay. Other thing is, I still got to write out my sermons for Sunday school, juvenile, and adult. And my big sermon is, what did you do this week or for Mother's Day? Not staring at your phone, not looking up for something. Oh, I donated something. No, you physically do something. Now, Uncle Al, last couple days, been shopping for other people, elderly people, handicapped people, disabled people. Give comfort for people who don't have families. What did you do this week? Okay, other than sitting at home eating cheese puffs. Again, on this, what did you do? Okay, that's my whole thing for today. Uncle Alan's always busy. Uncle Alan's always tired. Okay, because at times I don't go to bed until 3 or 4 in the morning because I'm trying to get videos up and trying to get the message across. So think about, what did you do today? What did you do this week? And it doesn't deal with the phone. Okay? No. Personally, what you do, and the same goes with your preps. What did you do today with your preps? Is it viable? And you have to be constantly thinking about your preparation. I'm a survivalist, not a prepper. I keep telling people that because everybody has the fast way to become a prepper, or I'm Rambo and jump around and wave guns and stuff. That doesn't work out. Okay? You have to think what's it going to be later on. So you had a shooting in your house. Are you going to be there and get blamed for the shooting? Or did you find out your bullets went across the street through the wall and killed your neighbor bending over for a beer? Okay, go check out Southern Ohio Prepping. Nurse Amy and Doc Bones will be there May 11th. Check for time local because Uncle Alan's tired and got things messed up. And then go to Gil's new channel, Gray Man Prepping. Okay, Gray and Man. And you look for the icon. Go check out Gil's channel. He should have a link. Uncle Alan's tired. And we're going to talk about home invasion. Now, Uncle Alan got assaulted in one home invasion. And after that, I'm heavily armed. And I'm armed and wired and camera. It's real fun, folks, if you're sitting in the bathroom, minding your own business, doing stuff, and getting beaten to the crap by two large African Americans in the 80s. Not in their 80s, this was during the 1980s, and you're living in an apartment building, and you're supposed to have security. And these people came over and beat the living hell out of you while you're doing your business on the toilet. And then the cops think you're a pervert outside on the lawn, unconscious with no pants on and duking all over the property. And I'm looking at them. My apartment got robbed. They dragged me out and beat the living. And the younger cop like, we're going to arrest you for indecent exposure. Yeah, right. The older cop slapped him back of the head and got me an ambulance. Now, you have to understand what's going on with home invasions. There's two things you want to learn. Go check out Gray Man Prepping. That's Gil's channel. Go check it out. It's on Tuesday right after Southern Ohio Prepping. Another thing is go check out Coursera's Trainer, because Steve puts out very good points. A lot of people copies the movies, which really gets me angry. If you don't wave out a weapon, threaten people with a weapon. If the weapon's in your hand, you're going to kill somebody. All right? Don't wave them around. Watch Steve's videos on tabletop exercises, active shooter. Okay? So you go check that out, and I'll catch you later. And I wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. Bye, folks.